You know, it's very funny. I never wanted to participate. I got forced in the beginning by my sister because she thought I do deserve to be in this pageant. So that I still remember the day I came for the first time. I'm like, and I saw so many girls. They were so inspiring. I'm like, why was I not into this? You know, because I think I got a great opportunity where I can really inspire others. So then it became my passion. And I'm like, you know, this is the best way I can represent our culture. You know, I have a daughter, so she can, you know, when she grew up, she can see my mother did so much. So, you know, I think this was the best thing I did to myself. I feel so great because, you know, not only that I am the winner, but I also get to represent our culture. Not even here, even back home, you know, my family keep on asking, oh wow, you won the pageant. Even staying in US, you're representing our culture. So I think that's a great win, to be honest with you. Yeah, I feel great. I'm on top of the world. Yeah. ਮੇਰੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਸੀਗਾ, to be honest with you, I'm also one of them, but I don't think so we should limit ourselves. I always wanted to go into beauty industry. Even I remember when I was a kid, मैं हमेशा शीशे मूरे खड़े होके डांस करना, ये करना ना, वो किते वो पीछे ही रह गया सीगा. And then I moved on with my own career, you know. So with this pageant, I realized, no, why? You know, if you're passionate about something, and it's कोई बुरा नहीं गा, the culture ਨੂੰ represent करना, ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ कुछ, you know, कुछ गलत नहीं कर रहे. So why not? वैसे भी ਇੱਥੇ आ के ਆਪਾਂ अपनी culture ਨੂੰ ਭੁੱਲਦੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ, है ना. Somewhere it is fading away. Even our language is fading away. Look, I'm talking in English, right? So I think ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਜ਼ਰੀਆ ਹੈ ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕਿ ਵੀ, you know, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ community ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ, you know, ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਕਲਚਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਦਾ ਰੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਸੋ ਮੇਰਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ, you know, ਆਪਦੇ ਡ੍ਰੀਮਸ ਪੂਰੇ ਕਰੋ. ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਲਿਮਿਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਗੀ. ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਗੋ ਆਊਟ ਦੇਅਰ. ਇਫ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਪੈਸ਼ਨੇਟ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਸਮਥਿੰਗ, ਜਸਟ ਡੂ ਇਟ. Don't wait for the time, because time is key, to be honest with you. Once that opportunity is gone, it's gone, right? So if it is there, just grab it and just go for it. I think बहुत अपना खुद ही देखो, अपने ना अपने विनर्स सीगियां कुड़ियां, कोई बॉडी शेमिंग नहीं, कोई कलर दा नहीं गा, you know, it's just all about who you are. Sort of confidence, sort of the culturally की, you know, रुझाव है. सिर्फ ये थोड़ियां जी ही चीज़ां तुहानूं होणियां चाहिदियां. बाकी तुसीं किन्ने मोटे हो, किन्ने पतले हो, किन्ने काले, किन्ने गोरे, कोई भी लिमिट नहीं सीगी ना. That's what I saw on day one. I'm like, oh God, you know, why I didn't do this? Why my sister has to force this? I think, you know, this is great. Thank you, seriously, to Kimiji ma'am, wherever you are. Yeah. सब तो औखा वक्त सीगा इंडिया तो इत्थे आना. I was 23 when I came here. You know, I still remember I was almost depressed for the whole year because, you know, ਆਪਦੇ ਮੰਮੀ ਡੈਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਆਉਣਾ, ਆਪਦੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਆਉਣਾ. Even though my sister was here, but still you lived your whole bachpan, you know, almost you're 23, you know, and ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਕੰਟਰੀ 'ਚ ਆਉਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. So I was into all different, I was a hostess back home, and then I came here. I'm like, oh God, I can't do this here. I didn't speak English, so I had to learn that. And then I'm like, okay, what should I do for my future now? So I had to restart all over again, those baby steps. So I think that was the hardest phase. That 1 year I will never forget. And ਹੁਣ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ, ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ, don't worry, ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਸਾਲ ਹੈ ਕੱਢ ਲਓ, ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ. So I think ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਔਖਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਸੀਗਾ ਲਾਈਫ ਦਾ. ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ, you know, ਹੁਣ ਹੌਲੀ now you know how it works. So I still miss back home, ਆਪਣਾ food, ਆਪਣੇ, you know, ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਹਰ ਸੌਣਾ, ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣਾ. So ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹਜੇ ਮਿਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, but you know, now it's better for sure. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ, because unfortunately ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਗੇ, right? And ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਜਵਾਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਣ, but you know, they are ਅੜਕ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੈ, right? ਔਰ I think English ਤੁਸੀਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ comfortable, because ਇਹ ਆਪਣੀ language ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ, right? You go outside, ਕੰਮ ਤੇ ਜਾਓ, ਕਿਤੇ ਜਾਓ, this is the language we speak now, right? So I don't think so we should limit that, because ਆਪਣੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੁਣ upcoming generation ਹੈ, you know, they will not be able to participate otherwise in this pageant. And I don't think so we should limit the language part here. Staying in US, as long as we get to represent our culture, we'll stay Punjabi Sardaniya, right?
ਤੇ ਫੇਵਰਿਟ ਖਾਣਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ?
So I am born and brought up in Rajasthan. So ਸਾਡੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮੇਰੀ ਦਾਦੀ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਗੱਟੇ. I don't know if you heard about ਗੱਟੇ. Yeah. Okay. So ਗੱਟੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ favorite ਹੈ. Dal bati churma is my favorite and kachoriyan. I just want to tell them, please guys, come join. You're going to have the greatest experience of your life. It's going to actually grow you mentally. Things. Even in these 1-2 months, even our time was so limitless, but we learned so much. You're going to make great connections. You're going to meet great girls out there. They're going to stay lifelong friends for you. So please do not even worry about it. It's so comfortable. There is no judgment. There is no shame. They just want you to be yourself. So please come and join us, and we'll see you next year.